What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session, and today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology. Okay, let me just draw this level real quick because we have a perfect level here. Okay, we actually touched this. I will enter right here because we're gonna reject from this perfect level. Another trade right here. There's gonna be a crazy rejection here. Okay, this is a QM level actually. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it's one of those crazy levels. Let's see if this is gonna be working. Yes, beautifully worked. Okay, beautiful. Okay, first two trades of the week. Okay, this is a QML actually. It doesn't work like people don't use this as binary option, but I just took this experience that, you know, experiment actually, not experience. This is perfect level. And I'm gonna add a couple of pairs and start today's trading session. Okay. You see that this is a downtrend. Okay, even this level comes from so far. Okay, these two lines. I will draw this. Okay, this is basically a level and touches here. Let's see how this candle is gonna behave. If this is a weak candle with rejection, I will go with the sellers. Okay, let's see. There's also a round number. Let's see how many zeros. It has 3 zeros here. I can't really trust because this is a reversal candle. I really want to enter the marginal safety. You know what? I'll go with 100 here. Let's go. Because it's risky. But it's still, it's basically a good trade, but it's risky. Because this candle is pretty strong. And this is coming from a strong level. Okay? It might have the power to push the price here. But if this level wasn't strong, I would 100% sure that this is a red candle. As you can see, it seems that this level was pretty strong. But we'll see from the next candle. Okay. Yeah. Let's check other pairs. Okay. Let's check other pairs. Okay. We have a rejection point here. We had a doji here which worked. We actually lost this opportunity right here. I will wait for the next breakout of this level. Okay, this is also aligned with the, you know, previously resistance area. You see that? Okay. Okay, another. This is not a doji. Not counting it as a doji. Okay. It's trying to go up, but since this is a strong level, I will go with sellers after this green candle. If this closes as a green candle, that would be perfect. Please close as a green candle. No? Okay. I will not take any trade here. Okay. That would be perfect if this candle, you know, close some green. That would be great opportunity, but, you know, I don't want to break my rules. Okay. This is also not sure. Let's see. Okay. Guys, I always forget to tell that join the Telegram channel. Okay, we're gonna have crazy plans together and don't miss this out. There's a link in the description. Okay, the free Telegram channel. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is basically an old ass trend line. Okay, I wonder if it's gonna give us a retracement. Again, I will go with 100 here. Okay, because it's kind of okay. This is a Marbuzu candle actually. Okay, but it's still capped to the level, and this is pretty strong candle. This is like 2 Marbuzus. Okay, it seems that this is a crazy momentum, but it's gonna finally reject, I guess. I'm not sure about this, so I go with 100 here. And if you look at this, this is an old trend line, okay? A trend line, as it gets older and older, it means that, for example, this is the fourth or fifth touch, it's gonna, I guess, reject. And it gets a little, risky to take the retracement like this, okay? If this wasn't a Marbuzu candle, for example, that would be a perfect sell trade here, but since this is a Marbuzu candle and it doesn't have any rejection, and Marbuzu candle is a sign of reversal, plus we have this trend line breakout, there was a high probability to have a retracement, okay? So we lose that trade. Okay, we're going up here. Okay, for this one, I'm waiting for this candle or the next candle close, something like this. Then I will take my trade on this one. Or the next candle comes to this level and then I will enter with marginal safety. Otherwise, it's not a good option to take a trade here. Okay, I go with sellers here, okay? Because you see how it goes up. I'm gonna enter one more trade, please. Okay. Okay, I go one more trade here because you see how the sequence is going up. Okay, we need a retracement here, and also this doji here. And yeah, let's see the result here. Okay, one of them was winning trade and another one was loss. I will go one more sell here. Another, okay, double trade here. Because this little gap here, it took the opportunity of this candle being a red candle, okay? Sometimes, I don't know, maybe I should create a video about gaps. But sometimes, for example, we have a nice little outside bar, okay, closing on the level, even with rejection, okay. Then you see that, you say that, holy cow, this is an outside bar, and outside bars often give us retracement, okay, like for example 75% of the times give us retracement. Okay, let's see if this candle is gonna be a winning trade. Yeah, okay. And yeah, and this is also closed on level. This is, for example, downtrend, it has rejection, everything with us, okay. Then the moment you push the lower option here, okay, then suddenly the next candle opens like this. Opens from here, for example. Opens from here, and your entry is exactly right here, okay? Your entry is exactly right here. Then you're thinking, so, okay, there's a gap, no problem, but there's a problem, okay? So many people, so many mentors advise that to wait a couple of seconds, like for example 3-4 seconds before taking your trade, okay? Let's see how the next candle is gonna open, okay? It's not always true, but in some cases you have to wait, okay? For example, right here. Okay, this candle opens right here with a little bit of gap and takes the opportunity, okay? It closes like this. I'm sure you have seen this so many times. It closes like this, okay? But if there wasn't a gap, the candle would close like this, okay? Exactly opposite, and you would win the trade. So the gaps are you know, something that you have to pay attention to. It's not always true, okay? It's not always true, but sometimes it actually uses it actually skips the next candle. Okay, for example, right here, you see that? Okay, hold on, let me just zoom in. Perfect. Okay, you see this little gap here? Everybody knows that this is outside bar, this is retracement, downtrend, and the next candle should be red. But you see this gap? This gap is actually shows us if there wasn't a gap, the next candle would be like this. Okay, and you would win this trade. So that's why sometimes you have to wait to see if there's a gap or it's not. If there's not a gap. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that was useful for you. If you did learn something, please drop a like for me, because I see people like and I get motivated to create more content like this. And yeah, every question asked in the comments will be answered. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.